These are my current beauty favorites and makeup must-haves. You guys are gonna love this because I have basically put together my favorite beauty and makeup products that I know you guys are gonna love and I personally believe are worth the spend. So excited for you guys to learn about these products because some of them not many people actually know about and they are so good. So before we head into this video, don't forget I do have an online publication called Confessions of a Creative covering different topics like style, culture, beauty, reviews, self-help, a bit of everything, all written by me, so I know you're going to love it. 2 versions of subscription available. One is free, which gives you access to some of the site. The other one is paid, which only costs you around a coffee a month. That's it. And you get access to so much. The entire site, subscriber perks and benefits, and you get a little room where we can chat, which is pretty cool. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. And I'm on Instagram, so don't forget to come and say hi there too. Now let's get started with this. So excited about this, guys, because honestly I went through all of my makeup, and which is a lot, by the way, and I thought, you know what, I want to pick out the best bits, the bits that I use on a regular basis and things that I think are a must-have when it comes to your beauty collection, makeup, whatever. And I have picked out things that I am always using, things that recently I found as well, and I felt like they've given like quite a big change in my makeup and my skin, and I really wanted to share that with you because they're all products that I would actually 100% go and buy again. So let's get started with the first one. We're going to kind of work our way from skincare up through makeup. First one is actually an SPF. There's actually 2 because I'm in love with both of them. So this first one is Madagascar Centella. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but yeah. That's it. It's basically an SPF, which is very good for your skin. And I have been using it for a little while now and absolutely love it. It's a Korean makeup, like skincare brand, and I'm loving it. I actually prefer it to a lot of the other stuff that I use. There's no scent. It's a good product, and it's SPF 50, which is what I love. And I want to show you, firstly, it's like super slim, easy, lightweight, and one pump, you don't get too much that comes out. And it just melts into the skin. No smell. Guys, like a clean product, good for your skin. So recommend this. All these products are listed in my description, so make sure you head over. This is absolutely amazing. When you head to my description, all you need to search for is the SPF. It's probably the first product that's going to be listed. And yeah, go and get this because this stuff is so good and sits really well under makeup too. It's very hydrating for the skin too, and it's fine to kind of like get into water and stuff as well, so it's fine if you're swimming in that. Secondly, this product is something I wish I found ages ago. I only found this a few months ago and I've been using it whenever I kind of go out. I actually keep this with me in my bag. So this is basically a hyaluronic acid airy sun stick, and this is another Korean skincare brand which I know you're going to love. 8 different types of hyaluronic acid in here. It's light, it's refreshing, it's a stick. It's so good. And guess what? I use this on my lips as well. So if I'm out and about, I just kind of like smooth it over, and it's like a lip balm, and it protects my lips as well. Because a couple of the other SPF products that I've got for lips actually have tints in there, and I don't really want that sometimes. Sometimes I just want the protection because I don't wear lipstick on a daily basis. I wear lip balm most of the time with a little bit of lip liner. So this is perfect for me, and I know you're going to love it. It lasts for ages as well because I kind of like swelled it up to the full amount. Really good for your skin. You can use this like anywhere on your face. Amazing, not sticky at all, by the way. Next up is the NARS Light Reflecting Eye Brightener. This is something that I've started using recently and I absolutely love it because sometimes, I don't know about you, you use your concealer and it can, especially when you've got severe dark circles or you've had a really, really late night and you're just so tired and you can really see it on your skin. Sometimes your concealer just doesn't do the job. And the thing is, you could very easily use a full coverage concealer, but then it looks super cakey. And sometimes when your skin is feeling and looking so bad, the last thing you want is a ton of makeup on top. So that's where I find that this really comes in handy, because even when my skin is dull or my eyes are looking very sunken or very dark, I feel like this comes in handy when I don't really want to put that much makeup on. So I just dab this around the eye area or anywhere I've got darkness. Usually it's around here and my eye area, and then I go over with a light coverage concealer, and it's amazing because what this does is it gives you a little bit of coverage as well. I wouldn't say this is good as a concealer on its own because the colors are not necessarily like perfected to every skin tone. It's brighter. Like my shade is golden eye, and this on its own would look way too white on my skin, but once I've put like a concealer on top, it's perfect. Because I have like a couple of different concealers that I use. One is like a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and I usually use that when I want that brightening effect. And then the other one is like more closer to my skin tone, and you know, that's like one of the ones that I use when I don't want it to be so obvious that I'm wearing concealer. That's the one that I use on top of this. So use a concealer which is close to your skin color on top of this, because it's gonna work. It's magic and you're gonna love it. It's a very opaque product, so you just need to dab it on with your finger. Not a lot, you need the smallest amount, and you're gonna love this. Next up is my Doll 10 This Corrects Everything liquid filter. Guys, you've heard me talk about this, and you have seen me using Doll 10 quite a lot recently. Over the last few months, I think you've seen me use this a lot. I love these products. Doll 10 is probably the one brand that I feel like their products are very kind of like good for using anywhere. Like it's a good brand, not kind of like full of rubbish in there. Like their products are full, you know, they've got good stuff in there. Like this, I really love. This is like a filter for the skin. So it kind of like blurs your skin, and it blurs the open obvious pores. So you can use this on its own, by the way, if you want, because there are different shades, and my shade, I don't know, oh, it's Tan Deep. This is my shade. Or you can use this underneath foundation. I love this product. It genuinely blurs the skin. A couple of you have already messaged me saying that you have started using Doll 10 products and you really love their foundation. If you pair it with this, it's literally going to blow your mind. This is amazing. Make sure you use my discount code, which is Nina25, gives you 25% off. Guys, I have been using this all the time, their products, so make sure you do head over and grab that. You're going to love it. You can thank me later. Another product which I'm absolutely loving, and guys, so many of you guys actually went out and bought this product, because I used this on a recent video, and I can't remember what video it was, but I used a couple of the different shades, and I was shocked at how amazing the texture was. This product blew my mind, and it's probably my favorite cream eyeshadow. It's the best one, and I used to really like the Charlotte Tilbury ones, which I still love, but this is insane. This is like, I don't genuinely believe that once you've bought this, you won't have to get another one for years and years and years. I don't know how long like the expiry date is, so you know, I'm just putting that out there. Usually like 6 months to 12 months, but I'm telling you, you won't have to buy it for ages. This is the Surat Souffle eyeshadows. Wow, this stuff is amazing. It literally, it's like it doesn't go down. Oh my God, it just doesn't even go down, but the color comes off on your finger. It's like, look at that. It's just this weird moussey texture that it just doesn't seem like it's ever gonna go down. It's like a sponge. And then all the product comes off, and it's just the most stunning sheen. It's absolutely amazing. And there's so many nice colors that they offer, and I know you guys are gonna love this. You have a discount code for that too. You are most welcome. It is Nina15, so you get 15% off that. Okay, so we've got a couple of brow products here, which I'm absolutely loving, and I have been loving for quite a while now, and I wanted to share these with you because I would say these three are my go-to brow products. Like if I wanna spend, like, you know, like have my brows look really good, then this is what I would use. It is from Benefit, some of it. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 3.5. Has to be one of the best brow pencils I've ever used. I have tried some of the really like luxury brow pencils, and honestly, this has to be the best one. It's better than them. Highly recommend this. Don't waste your money on super expensive brow products. I'm telling you, this is gonna give you way more than what a luxury brand brow pencil will give you. It's much better. Trust me, I've tried them all. This is gonna beat all of them hands down. Stays put. You know, when you draw it in, it actually does transfer onto your skin. You know, sometimes you get that thing where it's not transferring, and also it doesn't break, the lead doesn't break, and it's just really good. Another product is the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. I think this stuff is absolutely amazing. I used to use the Too Faced brow wax thing, and I way prefer this one because I feel like with the Too Faced one, it leaves a white flaky kind of thing on, like it just goes all white and flaky, you know, like it's like glue, and this one doesn't leave that. So this is really good because I brush it on and then I flatten my brows, and it gives you that kind of laminated effect. Absolutely love it. Next we have my Lime Crime Bushy Brow Pen. Hands down the best brow pen you are ever going to use in your life. It gives you super thin hair. So like you basically draw in your hair, like you replicate your hair strokes, your hair. You replicate your hair and it gives you hair strokes, and it's super thin. Yeah, it's amazing. This is the best one. Like I've actually used, none of that came out right. I've actually used quite a few brow pens, and I tell you what I noticed is you get this weird kind of, it's like I've just picked up a toddler's ink pen. I don't think toddlers have ink pens, but you know what I mean? And I've just picked up like an ink pen. I don't know why I said toddlers, like it's like a kid's thing, but I've just picked up an ink pen and then I've drawn, and then you can see all the kind of ink changing color a little bit. That's what I found with some of the other pens that I've used, which are again expensive, and I don't get that with this. This is amazing. Okay, another product that I'm loving is the I think it's Grand Cosmetics. Is that what they're called? I think so. It's Grand Brow 2-in-1 Tinted Brow Gel. This has actually got the brow enhancing serum in here. So what I love about this is you can actually just brush it through and it makes your brows appear thicker, but at the same time it does give you the serum, which helps your brows to grow. And I'm using the one which is colorless as well, morning and night, and it's really helped. So this stuff is absolutely amazing. My shade is medium. Then we have a liquid blush, and this brand I'm absolutely loving. I feel like they do some of the best liquid blushes, and I've got quite a few of the colors now. This one is Bonbon. So this is by Beauty Bay, and it's the liquid blush, and it's like it's quite like a thick cream, but what I love about it is the pigment is so good. So it's not like this super fluid kind of blush that just disappears. And I feel like the people who have kind of darker skin tones are really going to appreciate that, because sometimes these liquid blushes just like disappear because of, when you have like darker skin, you just can't see it. And it's like, did you not think that there were other people around that needed to be able to use blush with darker skin tones? So yeah, this I honestly love. If you have kind of olive going up to really dark skin tone, then you are going to love this, because this pigment is insane. It's so good. And then we have another Doll 10 product. I told you I'm loving their products at the moment, well, have done for a while now. This is their Doll Pro Infinite Color Eye Crayon, and I have quite a few of these different shades, but I actually like using them in different places. So I do use them for the eyes, but this one in particular is called Gratitude, and I love using this on the nose to just highlight the area. These are super good at blending, like they blend in really easily, but the color's really good. It's just a really good no fuss product, and I love them. And they do lip colors too, by the way. Okay, absolutely loving these. Have been like, I don't know why I've just been a bit obsessed with them recently, is the Milk Makeup Multitasking Sticks. This one in particular is the Sculpt Stick in Simmer, and these are really good for kind of like, why am I not coming up with the word? Why is the word not coming to me? Sculpting. It literally said sculpt stick. Yeah, it's really good at sculpting. They do like blush shades as well, like different ones. Like you can see the sticks are different colors, and they do like highlighter ones, like really spark, like shimmery ones, which are really good. I'm loving these sticks. They're so good, so versatile, clean makeup, really easy to blend. Plus you get 1,000 swipes in one stick, which is pretty good considering it's such a small stick. Next up is my Rare Beauty Lip Souffle. This has been a favorite of mine for absolutely ages now. Probably the one lip color I've used the most. I used to use, if you've been here from day one, like you are gonna know how much I used to love the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Hollywood, and so many of you guys went crazy over it. You were all commenting saying, oh my God, where do I get this lipstick? And just as I started using it, it discontinued, right? Because that's what they do. That's what brands do. They just get rid of the ones that everyone seems to love. So yeah, this is my like replacement for that. So this is absolutely amazing. It's such a nice color, and it's the one color that I always get compliments on. This is in the shade Brave. You can thank me later. I know you're gonna love it. Every single product here, I know you're gonna thank me later because you're gonna love it. Okay, next is the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette in Nude. I feel like this is a palette that everyone kind of needs. It's like a palette that will just give you everything you need in here. It's really good, and I love that it's actually nude. It's not pink. You know when you see these nude eyeshadow palettes and it's like pink? Why don't you just write pink eyeshadow palette? So yeah, this has black, different color browns, which are actually really nice browns, especially for people of like darker skin tone. Like they're not like cool. I would say it's more on the warmer side. I think they do a cool palette too, in case you're interested. But yeah, I absolutely love Beauty Bay. I feel like it's a palette that you guys are gonna love. There's a like couple of shimmery shades in there and some kind of like matte shades, but overall it's a really good everyday palette that you can get a lot of different looks out of. Next is my Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Absolutely surprised at this mascara. Genuinely thought that it was just, everyone going on saying it's viral, and I thought they're just saying it, it's not really viral, because why would people do that? But it is viral for a reason. It genuinely is a really good mascara. I'm wearing it now. I absolutely love it. Been using it for months now, and I know you're gonna love it because it is actually lengthening, stays put, just such a good mascara. It's a flexi plastic brush that isn't overly big, so you can really use it on your lower lashes too. I know you're gonna love this. And we are on to my Rhode products. This is my Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. Absolutely love these lip lip products. And I would say my favorite, I'm not going to just say this is just like my lip product. I'd say the skincare as well, I'm absolutely loving. So I would highly recommend using any of their products. I've tried all of them. The skincare I've been using for months now, absolutely love it. Even the lip treatment, I love them. The salted caramel is so good. You're gonna love it. It's so good. This is another mascara that I wanted to add to this kind of like whole video because I feel like the Maybelline Sky High is perfect for daytime, even for evening, but this is my new kind of favorite for evening time. If I don't want to wear eyelashes, then I love this. This is the NARS Climax Extreme. I feel like it really gives me that evening kind of lash look. So that's another one. Not really much else I can say about it other than, you know, it's a thick brush and it really does deliver if you want evening kind of glam lashes without the false lashes. That is about it, guys. That's, you know, a list of all my products. I think you're gonna love them. These are all my favorites and my must-haves. These are products that I'm absolutely loving at the moment, and I felt like I wanted to share them with you because I think, why not? Because, you know, it's really difficult sometimes when you want to try different makeup. It's very expensive. Makeup is ridiculously expensive, to be honest. And I thought, why not? Like, if I have the chance, because of what I do for a living, to be able to try all these different products, and I want to try them for a while to be able to tell you what I think of them. And some products I have used for a while and I've not necessarily seen that they're that great, but I've used them in order to give them a chance because I really want to I want to be the test subject, you know. I want to be able to share that with you and tell you what's good and what isn't. Is it worth your money? This is me telling you what is worth your money, because for me it's really worked. And at the end of the day, if you have been kind of like umming and ahhing thinking, shouldn't I spend my money on that, hopefully this will give you a nudge in the right direction and help you with that. If you don't see it in this whole video, then I either haven't tried it yet, so let me know in the comments below, or I just didn't like it. So yeah, hopefully some of these products are going to come in handy for you and you will be able to like go out and try them yourself. Tell me if there's anything specific that you've actually seen that you've been wondering whether you should get. And even sometimes new products like this, the Korean skincare that I showed you at the beginning, that stuff is absolutely amazing. You're going to love it. So I really do hope you go out, check them out and see what you think too, and let me know what you think because I would love to know how you got on with it. And I'm sending you loads of love wherever you are in the world, sending you good vibes. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care and I'll see you soon.